The Adventures of Atom. Look, up in the sky. It's a bird. No, it's a plane. No, it's Matter Goose. Oh dear, what can the matter be? Oh dear, what can the matter be? Oh dear, what can the matter be? Listen and you shall know. Hi there, I'm Matter Goose. I can take up space and have weight. I can become a solid, a liquid, or a gas. I can break down into smaller pieces to become molecules. And if I break down into even smaller molecules, I become an atom, the building blocks of matter. Hi, I'm Atom. I'm the smallest particle of matter. You've all heard that good things come in small packages. Oh, that was dry. Well, there are 108 atoms who are my friends, and we are the building blocks of matter. The smallest part of an element is an atom. When we come together with ourselves, we are called molecules. But when we are joined by different atoms, we're called chemical compounds. We are held together with a kind of electricity. The stronger the electricity, the harder the matter is. In a solid, we are tightly bound. In a liquid, we are loosely bound. And in a gas, we move about freely. Now, if you put on your magic eyelash glasses, you can see what I'm made up of. My center is called a nucleus. It's made up of two different particles held strongly together, protons and neutrons. Spinning around the nucleus of protons and neutrons, you can see something called electrons. Now, let's play sing-along. Follow the bouncing atom to the tune of Katie, beautiful Katie. Oh, a proton, positive proton, you're the only positive charge in the nucleus. Boom, 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 proton, positive proton, you're the only positive charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom, neutron, neutron, you're the only neutral charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom, neutron, neutron, you're the only neutral charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom, electron, negative electron, you're the only negative charge out of the nucleus. Boom, boom, electron, negative electron, you're the only negative charge out of the nucleus. Boom, boom. Very good, although I think someone was way off key. Now, remember, every atom has one electron for each proton in the nucleus. The positive charge of the proton cancels out the negative charge of the electron and makes the atom electrically neutral. Now, I said that there are 108 known elements. Each one is different. How are they different? Well, they each have a different number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. These differences are seen as atomic numbers and atomic weights. Let's visit the famous scientist, Professor von Klutz, who could explain this. Good evening. I was watching your show. I like the singing best. Proton. Yes, Professor. Would you mind explaining how atoms differ from one another? Without a doubt. Well, as you said, on atoms, they have the different numbers of the electrons, protons, and neutrons, which we see as the atomic numbers and weights. Now, an atomic number, what it is? Well, the scientists list the atoms as elements in what we call the periodic table. This is not a table which one eats on, but it is a chart. Now, an element is listed in the chart 1, 2, 3 by the number of protons that it has. This is called the atomic number. Now remember, each atom has the same number of electrons as protons. One proton, then one electron. Now, if you know what the atomic number of an atom is, then, excuse the expression, it's duck soup to know how many protons and electrons that it has. If the atomic number is 1, then how many protons and electrons is there? If you said 1 proton and 1 electron, then you're a genius. Now, what about atomic weight? Well, an atom doesn't get the weight from the ice cream and candy like you and me, no sorry Bob. The atomic weight is found by adding together the number of protons and neutrons. By the way, the electron is a skinny runt doesn't have any weight. So, the atomic weight is the total weight of the protons and neutrons in the nucleus. Oh, sorry, Professor Nuts. No buts, no cluts. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. Well, thank you, Professor Von Klutz. Now, let's see what we have learned. Matter. What can it be? A solid, a liquid, or a gas? Matter can be broken down into what? Molecules. And of even smaller, atoms are the building blocks of matter. The center of an atom is called a nucleus. The nucleus contains positive protons and neutral neutrons. Spinning outside the nucleus is the negatively charged electrons. Now, let's play sing-along again. Follow the bouncing atom to the tune of Katie, beautiful Katie. Proton, positive proton, you're the only positive charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom. Proton, positive proton, you're the only positive charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom. Neutron, neutral neutron, you're the only neutral charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom. Neutron, neutral neutron, you're the only neutral charge in the nucleus. Boom, boom. Electron, negative electron, you're the only negative charge out of the nucleus. Boom, boom. Electron, negative electron, you're the only negative charge out of the nucleus. Boom, boom. Thank you for listening.